Go to the Nuxt modules website, find the i18n module, install it, and then add it to your Nuxt modules array. And in the Nuxt config file, create an i18 object with these options. The locales will be our language files, which are placed inside the locales folder in our root directory. These files will contain our key and value pairs for our translations. And now we have access to our locales and can change it using these hooks. In our template, we will loop over our locales with a Nuxt link, and when it's clicked, it will change the locale of our application. And we can use the $T function, pass it a key from our translations file to access a specific translation. We can see that it displays hi, and we don't have any prefix in the browser, but when we click another language, it shows the correct translation and adds the prefix to the URL.